I mean, if comfort is what you're looking for, this is 100% super comfortable. These are the Langsdom Air Fit. It's made of silicone and rubber and plastic. Super lightweight, super comfortable, amazing Bluetooth connection. The sound is pretty good. I didn't even realize, because they're so comfortable, you don't even realize on your ear. Even before I did this video, I was looking at this one and the other one was on my ear and I was looking for it. I forgot it was on my ear. Super comfortable and you don't even feel it in your ears. Area right here is the touch area, right? It does come with a charging case that's magnetic. Pretty nice packaging too, pretty impressive. And again, this is magnetic, so it won't fall out. Pretty good design, and it is pretty good sound. I would love to try this in the lap pool. It's not bad. It's actually comparable to my Shocks. I think they're a direct competitor to Shocks. Many of their products are very similar to Shocks, but they're a little bit more affordable. Pretty comparable. Of course, the Shocks are a little bit more expensive, probably like almost $100. So pretty nice option if you guys want to try out. Just a pretty decent earbud. All right, guys, that's the Langsdom Air Fit Sports Earbuds. Peace.